This is the mouse. It is awesome. Got really good fucking DPI. I got it boomed to the max right now. It's got 4 profiles for the DPI as well. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, 5. Look at that. 5 DPI profiles, which is pretty nice. I really like it. It's got the RGB button right here, which I'm leaving it nice and rainbow because I got the setup being rainbow. But anyway, 2 side buttons, programmable to whatever you want to put it to. This one as well. It comes stock with a macro for fire, but I'd rather just switch it to V so I can stab off of it. But yeah, it's pretty good. It feels nice. I'd say pretty decent for $23. It comes with a lot of features. Its own custom software, customizable DPI up to 8,000 DPI. An extra little button up here, which I find pretty neat. And these, you can actually change these as well. I don't know how many people like use these 3 buttons, but if you wanted to use them for something else, you can remap them too. This this mouse, all in all, is pretty good. I'd say for $23, that's including shipping and all that, but $23 is like really, really good.
The RGB 612 M612 RGB. It is a very nice mouse. It's programmable and it's fast. It's really fast. When you see this, you have to program your macros first. If you don't program your macros, this won't work because you have to come and select your button, like this button right here. Then you come over here and select your macro if you wish, but you can change them. I'm going to select the macro. Oh, that one won't take a macro. It's got to scroll up. Let's scroll up, scroll down. That's right. And let's go ahead and change number 9. We already got that one. I played GTA 5. It's amazing. All right, that's enough for that. So here's your macro manager, and then you select what you want. Which I got that, but I'm gonna change it to this and say yes. That's all you gotta do.
This is the best mouse for the price by far. RGB is perfect. Different effects, breathing, off, back on, cycling through colors.
Like goofy slime. Oh my gosh, they're all like that. All goofy slime is turned to you.
No taking a present, okay?
That's beautiful. Oh my god, that's so cool.
Rubber, very comfortable.
Goofy slime's gunning me out. Ooh, this one's still good.
This is the mouse that my boyfriend picked out when he purchased his gaming computer. It lights up in the dark, and I love the nice, smooth, ergonomic design.
Web, exclusively in movie theaters, February 14th. Remember space and legroom?
Noah, it's none of your business, okay?